What up with you, Q hollering at you? I was making in my mind, an interesting little beat, and I just thought it might be cool to record a little video on what I got going on. Every now and then I like to just make something weird. I don't even know how you would categorize it necessarily. I mean, it's definitely in the hip hop region, but it's, some odd stuff going on. Sometimes I like to just go through Machine. I got complete ultimate, so I got like a billion sounds, and I like to just layer weird stuff and just make, you know, basically hip hop. I ain't gonna say experimental because the count is pretty standard and everything, but my sound selection is just very weird. It could be whack or whatever. Who cares? Like to push the limits and have fun. What's the point of having all this technology if you're just gonna continue to make the same thing over and over and over, basically? So every now and then I like to just really stretch and just do some weird stuff. But anyway, I start off with this sound right here, and let me play on the keyboard for you a little bit. Beautiful art. And I happen to be using an Akai Advanced 49. I got this years and years ago, but as far as MIDI controllers, I'm not terribly interested in having the latest greatest MIDI controller because it's just a controller at the end of the day. At least for me, but something to catch my eye, I guess, eventually. But anyway, that's why I play my keys on. And of course I do my drum programming here. But anyway, I start off with that sound because that interested me. And then so that's that sound. Just a nice little weird sound. Then let me mute this. Let's see what else we got. Give each one their own individual sound. So let's see, my felt. That's just a nice little felt. Just a nice little felt, you know what I mean? And then this is just straight weird, just cause. So let's piece them all together and see what kind of weirdness we got. So I started there with the building block. Then I started there. Now let me go ahead and add the railroad. And I do realize that my screen is frozen, but hopefully you can still hear me alright and everything. Going on because I'm trying to get my camera back right. But yeah, started there, and then from there I said, what I want to drive in my brain. I like immediately heard an 808. So let me make sure I got it. All right, now my camera should be back up. Live troubleshooting, y'all. So then. It may not have been what you would expect, but just that's a little 808. I said, okay, now let me give me some vibe. Just add it in piece by piece. Then I want some movement, so I started adding little percussive elements in there to kind of get me moving, keep me moving. Got an LFO pan on this, so it's kind of swinging from side to side a little bit, creating some more movement. For the longest, I never used LFO. I don't know why, but I just didn't. And now it's one of my favorite things to use all the time, just to get that movement. I just think it's cool and interesting. And what else I got in here? I guess I could hit solo. And now I'm looking to add some more to it. And it's really got enough I could really take something out and then just let. So now if I take my initial element out, let's just see what we got. So let's just do these two. just to kind of keep myself fresh, you know what I mean? Keep my skills sharp and whatever. Okay, so we got that little weirdness. And then I like to just go through and just try to go through like the weirdest sounds that I got, or the ones I've used the least, or the packs. See, that might be too much. It's already nice and atmospheric and everything. There you can see a little bit on the camera. I like to do just weird stuff like that. Let's move it the x-axis. Okay, that's nice and weird for me. So let's hit record, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna record a note first. Now, record some automation. Okay, so I got an idea of what I want to do. Now I can just hit the little automation button right here. I'm tweaking. Shift automation, excuse me. Now you're noticing, you can even see it on my little screen. Let me get in focus for you right there. So you can even see right here the automation I recorded. And I know it's weird, it might not be the greatest beat in the world necessarily, but it's interesting. It's just something different to stretch. Just try something different. Now hit my chord again, Lord have mercy. But yeah, it's just something interesting, something to stretch every now and then. I just like to practice layering a bunch of different sounds and weird stuff together. And I've surprisingly ran into artists that like, you know, this kind of weird stuff. You know, I don't even know what you would call it, maybe trip hop or something like that. But hey, some people find it interesting, and I do too. But anyway, let me know, do y'all make weird beats? And if you make weird beats, do you actually save them? Do you just throw them away? What do you do with them Jones? Put it down in the comment section below. Quick little video just hollering at y'all, man, see what y'all got going on. I like to see what's going on out there in the producer community from time to time, what people are doing, not the job, but just out of interest, just out of curiosity at the progression of this thing that we call music. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I know my camera pros again. I'm at to get that worked out. But until next time, peace, and thank you for stopping through. Be blessed.